Hi, this is Marty again. Here is another plant. Just looking around because I want to see things move. I don't want to be here when things move my way. Well, anyway, it's called a very fragile, but very aggressive when you put it in the garden. Ferns. I love these little things. I have several ferns. I got another one over here, which is called the staghorn. Now this will be the next video. That shows different than the original staghorn fern. So, but this is a dainty little straight fern, I call it, because of the nature of the leaves. Very frilly, because you can see it's very dainty. But don't be fooled by the daintiness, because this little baby, you put it in the ground or attach it to a cabbage palm tree, it knows where it's at and it will grow. It just grows and grows and grows. So the only way you can combat it is just by taking them apart and giving some away, or just put them in a recycle bin. But this plant knows how to survive in your garden. It's not that it's aggressive, it's just, it knows it's a fern. And ferns like to just spread their legs and grow and grow and grow. So that's it. Please like the video. Any questions how to enhance this post, please let me know. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.